So, all right, good morning. A quick one for those of you who are just joining Bekenet Trading Software, who subscribed yesterday, and those who will still subscribe today. Please, Bekenet Trading Software is a very simple app that will help you make money without stress. And for you to be able to achieve that, we have rules here. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can take trade. We've already dropped signal in the group. You yourself, you're going to receive the signal. Why normally I drop any trade I'm taking, I'll drop it on the active group users. You understand? So as you can see currently now, this is around 12:43 when I drop the signal. This is to buy flip 1x. So if you have a minimum of $50, you can actually trade flip 1 to flip 5. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you what you need to look out for before you take the trade. And this is the analysis of it. It is very simple. Just know how to read. That's all you need. Then I'm going to show you what you need to take. Now, if you can see, you swipe down, you see my notification. This is around 2:53 a.m. Today is Thursday. Okay, look at it. It's telling me to buy flip 1x. All you need to do, as you can see this man here, look at the image. The setup does not matter, but so long you are saying power, you understand, just click it. I'm going to click it will take me to a different page. Very simple. What I'm going to do is not going to take me up to 3 minutes. I am done. It will tell you, give you the analysis of what the AI saw that made it to tell you to buy. Then once you've done with the reading, if you want to read, you just come down. Since this is synthetic, I'm going to click this. Let's assume the signal was forest. I'll click this. If the signal was derived synthetic, I will click this. Just read. It is very simple. Just read. If you know how to read, you'll be able to use the software and make money without stress. So I'm going to click well trade inbuilt chart, which is this well trade inbuilt chart. At the bottom, look at it at the bottom. I'll now select flip 1 because it's told me to buy flip 1. I'll select flip 1, then click load. Look at it. I'm going to click load. So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to make sure that as I'm taking this position, I don't want to be close to any resistance. I'll just click load. Then the next thing, you see a candle forming. This is the current daily candle. This one that you're seeing, this is the previous. Do you understand? So I'm going to click settings. From these settings, we have our weekly key level, last week key level, last 2 weeks key level. So we want to make sure that this our price or trade I want to take is not close to any resistance at all, be it this week, last week, or last 2 weeks key level. So I'm just going to be clicking WL. As you can see, it will generate a key level for me. Now look at the green line here. It is very simple. This is a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance. As you can see clearly now, this daily candle has not gotten close to any resistance. So number one criteria is good. So we'll check again, check for last week, check again if it's still close. As you can see, the candle is still very far from what another resistance, number 2. So it's remaining one. Once this one is far from a resistance, boom, we take our trade. Simple as ABCD. So I'll click this one too. As you can see, the same thing. It is far from what a resistance. So the opposite, it's the same thing if you want to sell. Now these are our resistance. The green are the resistance, the red are the resistance. So if we want to sell, we must make sure price is not close to what our resistance level. So once you're done with this, you go to your MT5, just the way I've already taken my trade already. Look at it. I've taken my trade already, risking $4. Now we always use the daily low, daily previous low as our stop loss. That we don't use tight stop loss here. We always use the daily previous low if we are buying as the stop loss. Please follow these rules if you want to get the same results. Do you understand? We use previous daily low for a buy as our stop loss, and we use previous daily high as our stop loss to sell. Don't go and do your own. If you do your own, you will get a different result. It is very simple. Let's say you go and get a Tesla car now. The Tesla car is an electric car. They said you must charge it before you can drive it. If you go and put petrol inside, it's not going to work. It's the same thing with Bekenet Trading Software. We have been using this thing for more than 3 years. So these are the rules you need to follow. Our stop loss must be below the previous daily low if you are buying, and our stop loss must be above the previous daily high if you're selling. Simple as ABC. Once you do this thing, you will not have issues. Do you understand? So once you're done with that, you place your trade on your empty value. The next thing you need to do, there's another AI here. You need to activate this AI. This AI will be the one to help you monitor your trade. Immediately I initiate this. Now once I click this, I have programmed it to help me monitor that trade. If the trade want to go against me, I'm already in profit, it will notify me to break even. If the trade want to change total direction and entirely, it will notify me to close out the trade. Simple as what? ABCD. That is how you use Bekenet Trading Software. Once your notification comes, just click it. It will take you to this page. You don't need any rocket science. The only analysis you're doing is just this small thing I just showed you. You check what's it called, the weekly key level, this one, this one. Make sure if you're buying, make sure price is not close to all this line that you're seeing. As you can see, look at it, price is very very far from the green line. You see it? Let me zoom it out. Price is very very far. So if I want to take profit, this should be my take profit. Very simple. We know the stress ourselves here. So you can see just 3 seconds, you're done. Click here, you check with your eye, you'll be able to. This is the current market candle. It hasn't got into any resistance yet, so we are going to buy this trade and we're going to be in massive profit. It is very very simple. That is how we use what Bekenet Trading Software. So all you need to do, you relax. Once signal come, you just take your trade. Look at signal is still dropping, telling me to buy. All I need to do is just click. So once I click, it will generate this page for me. Then check if price is close to what? Resistance and support. That is how to use what? Bekenet Trading Software. Now this is another signal that just came in. Now look at it. It's telling me to buy flip 2. Let me check if it's something I can take. All I need to do is just click it. I'll scroll down again, go to well trades inbuilt chart, check for flip 2. I'll click load. Now this is the normal candle. I'll click settings. As you can see, price is already close to a resistance, so I cannot take this trade for flip 2. You see, price has already tested what? A resistance level, so it is no go for me. I will not take it again. I will leave it and stick to my flip 1. You see, it's very simple. So with this key level, you will know what is happening in the market. That is why you see me, my trader, always profit, because I know what is happening in the market with this key level. Do you understand? So you'll be able to trade and trade smart. As you can see, is the second week is already close to resistance, so I'm not going to take that risk to take this trade. But for the flip 1, I am already in it because price is far from what? A resistant level. So that is how you take trade with Bekenet Trading Software. So if you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I will be able to attend to you. For the new guys, follow the rules. Forget what you have been doing. It's not working. That is why you came to this platform. So follow the rules to the letter. Your stop loss is very important. Use your risk management. You understand? Use your let's go to the risk management side. I didn't show you that. The risk management, let me just show you immediately. Let me show you immediately what you need to do, how you need to know the right lot size to use. That's why Bekenet Trading Software is what you need. All I need to do now, click on is available for forex, available for well trade. So I'm just going to click well trade. Look at it, risk management. Very simple. Look at it, very very simple. Risk management is going to tell me the lot size I'm going to use. All I need, let's say I'm using $50. I'll put it. All I'm looking for here is the lot size. Just read through. You click, look at it. It's telling me to use 0.01. That's all. Leave this stop loss you're saying. Just use the previous daily low for a buy, previous daily high for a sell. So this is how you generate your lot size and you relax yourself and trade what without stress. As you can see, I'm using 0.01. As you can see, 0.01. I still have another lot size 0.52. As you can see, it's two position that is there. So one is 0.01, one is 0.5. my stop loss must be below a previous daily low. Simple as ABC. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much.